Good morning, students, all of you. Welcome to NSO Class 8, Chapter 16, Stars and Solar System. Come to question number 1. Which of the following is the correct order of planets for increasing distance from the Sun in the solar system? So, your option, notice Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So this is the correct order. You can see Earth is at the beginning, all are not correct. That means option number A is correct. Correct sequence is that Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now come to question number 2. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the Earth? So, the Earth revolves around the Sun in a circular orbit. Number 2, rotation of Earth causes day and night. Number 3, the revolution of Earth causes seasonal change on the Earth. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. So you have to identify which one is incorrect. Moon is only the natural satellite of the Earth. This is the correct option. The revolution of Earth caused the seasonal change. This is also correct. Rotation of Earth caused day and night. This is also correct. The Earth revolves around the Sun. Though Earth revolves around the Sun, but it is not the circular orbit. So option number, your answer option number A will be the correct option. Now come to the question number 3. Which planet is one day longer than its year? Which planet? You have to remember this one. That is the Venus. Option number C is the correct option. Now come to the question number 4. Which of the following is the correct match? The smallest planet of the solar system is Venus. No, this is not correct. A galaxy is the group of planets. This is also not correct. Not visible from the northern hemisphere. Pole star, not correct. Rotate from the east to west. Uranus. So it is the correct option. So option number D is correct. Now come to the question number 5. Read the given statement and select the correct options. Statement 1. Saturn could float if put in water. Statement 2. Saturn is less dense than water. Statement 1 is telling that it would float in the water. That means the density of the Saturn is less than the water. So you can see statement, obviously the statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. And why? Because Saturn is the less dense than water. That's why it will float. So both option 1 and 2 are the true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of 1. So this is the correct option. Both the statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Now come to the question number 6. Which one of the following pairs of planets is known as gas giants? So pair of planets you have to identify. Which pair of planets? Saturn and Mars, not Venus and Mercury not, Venus and Neptune is not, Saturn and Jupiter is the correct option. Now come to the question number 7. Which of the given planets is the brightest? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. So option number B is the Venus is the most brightest planets. Come to the question number 8. The nearest planet to the earth is, what is the nearest planet? All of you know the nearest planet of earth is Venus. Next, come to the question number 9. A star which appears blue will be as hot as sun, colder cooler than sun, very cold indeed, much hotter than sun. So this will be option number D, much hotter than sun. Come to the question number 10. To an astronaut, the outer space appears. It will be black, obviously. To an astronaut, the outer space, it looks black, not dark blue. So all the other option is not correct. Option B is the C is the correct. Come to the question number 11. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Moon always shows the same side to the earth as it rotates on its axis. Statement 2. Obviously this is a correct, you have to understand. The moon completes one rotation on its axis in the same time which is take to complete a revolution around the earth. The movement of earth around the sun takes into consideration. So option number 1 is true, option number B is 2 is also true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of 1. So option number, both the statement are true and the statement 2 is the correct explanation of 1. So option number A is the correct option. Come to the question number 12. A planet which is called born sister of earth is, which one? Venus. Venus is the planet which is called born sister of earth. Come to the question number 13. India's first artificial satellite. Which one is the India's first artificial satellite? That is the Aryabhatta. Not PSLV. Question number 14. Which planet does not have any moons? That means no. Which planet does not have any moons? So you have to identify Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So option number A, Venus has no moon. Option number A. Come to the question number 15. Polar star appears to be stationary in all seasons because pole star does not rotate on its axis. Pole stars happens to lie on the axis of equator of the earth. Pole star happens to lie on the axis above the north pole of the earth. Pole star is the most distant from the earth to all the stars. So option number, pole star happens to lie on the axis above the moon. So option number C is the correct option. Come to the question number 16. Read the given statement and select the correct options. Venus is the hotter than Mercury, though it is far away from the Sun. Number 2. So statement 1 is true, obviously. This is the true, obviously true. No. Statement 2. Cloudy atmosphere of Venus reflects almost 75% of the sunlight that falls on it. This is also true. But notice here, 2 is not the correct explanation of 1. So, both the statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of 1. So, option number 2 is correct. Come to the question number 17. The artificial satellites sent into space by India in ascending order of their launching date is. So you have to remember this one, that Rohini, Apfel, Rohini, Apfel, Edusat, Insat, 4B. So this is the correct option, option number C. Next. Come to the question number 18. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct options from the code given below. So two column is there, column 1 and column 2. You have to match all these things. So number 1, made of ice and rocky materials. Which one is the correct? Comets. So option A is matching with the 4. A is 4. Next, chunks of rocks that have never managed to come together as planet. So option number B, it is matching with asteroids. Shooting star in the sky, matching with meteors. The hunter, that is the Orion. So you can see A is matching with 4, B is 2, B is 3, C is 2, D is 1. That is option number B is the correct option. Come to the question number 19. Consider the following statement and select the opinion which correctly identifies true and false. Mars is the red planet because it is the hottest planet of the solar system. So it is the false. It is false. Next, our solar system is located in the galaxy named Milky Way. This is the true. Hydrogen burns as the fuel in star, obviously true. The nebula is a cloud of dust and gas in the space. This is also true. So false, true, true, true. False, true, true, true. So option number D is the correct option. Next, phases of the moon are as shown in the figure. Which of the following option shows the correct leveling? So different phases are given to you. Which one is the correct leveling? Number 1, notice here, number 1, this one. This is the number 1. Number 1 is the full moon. Number 2 is the waxing gibbous of moon. Number 3, waning crescent moon. Number 4, it is beginning, it is number 4 is the full moon. Number 3 already covered. Number 4. Number 5, waxing, again the same, it is repeating, so this one. So you can see newborn, waxing moon, and waning crescent moon, full moon, and waxing. So option number B is the correct option. From the diagram you have to identify, this is the full moon, this is the full moon, two option, this is matching with this one, so same name will be there, and it is repeating, so option number B is the correct option. So that's all for your today's class. Thank you.